Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Evernote. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for building custom systems for notes, tasks, and wikis. Evernote, on the other hand, excels at rapid note-taking, web clipping, and organizing documents with powerful search capabilities. Both tools aim to streamline your information and boost overall productivity, but they approach these goals with distinct philosophies and feature sets, catering to different user needs and preferences. Notion's block-based editor provides unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to create intricate pages with various content types, from text to embedded media and databases. Evernote, conversely, focuses on a more straightforward note-taking experience, prioritizing quick capture and a powerful search engine to find information effortlessly. While Notion builds custom systems, Evernote excels at organizing disparate pieces of information through tags and notebooks, making retrieval incredibly efficient. When considering cost, Notion offers a generous free personal plan with unlimited blocks and pages, ideal for individual users. Evernote's free tier is more restrictive, allowing only 60 megabytes of monthly uploads and a maximum note size of 25 megabytes. For more robust features and storage, Notion's paid plans start around $8 per month, while Evernote's premium options begin at $10.99 monthly, providing more extensive capabilities for advanced users. If you require a highly customizable workspace for complex project management, building knowledge bases, or creating intricate workflows, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your priority is quick note capture, reliable search, and a simpler, more structured approach to organizing information, Evernote will serve you well. Ultimately, the better tool depends on your specific needs and how you envision managing your digital information and tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.